Raining season. Freshness from the sky to the land. This is the time for every life to thrive. This raining season is a precious time for the reproduction of various tiny insects including mosquitoes. In tropical regions, mosquitoes are a major part of the global health problems. As everyone knows, many microorganisms use mosquitoes as their carrier from one host to another to reproduce. Some of them cause illnesses affecting millions of people of every age across tropical regions around the world. When mosquitoes bite an infected human or animal, the cycle of transmission then begins. Once the viral carrier mosquitoes bite humans, the virus in their saliva is distributed in the blood circulation and then infects the target cells. And if you ask any doctors, they will tell you it is one of the most famous diseases. Dengue. Dengue is a mosquito-borne and pandemic-prone viral infection prevalent in many parts of the tropical region of the world. The virus responsible for causing dengue is called dengue virus, of which there are 4 distinct serotypes: dengue virus 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are different in their genomic sequences. While many dengue virus infections produce only mild illness, they can also cause an acute flu-like illness, which occasionally develops into a potentially lethal complication, called severe dengue or dengue hemorrhagic fever. This symptom can lead to mortality of patients, especially in childhood. Based on the data from the World Health Organization, the global incidence of dengue has grown dramatically, with about half of the world's population now at risk. In Thailand, severe dengue was first recognized in 1958 and later in other countries in tropical areas. At the present time, there is no specific treatment for dengue, severe dengue. Therefore, the early detection of disease progression associated with severe dengue, and access to proper medical care are the only means to lower fatality rates of severe dengue. To overcome these challenges, it is important to understand the process and mechanisms of dengue pathogenesis in humans. For this reason, the Division of Dengue Hemorrhagic Fever Research, DHFR, was established in 1994 at Faculty of Medicine Siriraj Hospital, Mahidol University, to advance the basic research in the field of dengue in Thailand.
Our division has been working alongside with the Medical Biotechnology Research Unit, which is a satellite unit under the National Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, or Biotech, under Memorandum of Understanding between the 2 institutes. We have established 2 clinical cohorts at the provincial hospitals, which have been maintained for more than 20 years. The cohorts have not just only provide a good, high-quality medical care, but also serve as study sites where patients' information and clinical specimens are systematically collected. The goal of our research team is to utilize the academic, clinical, and public health network within the clinical facilities and also affiliated hospitals to generate new knowledge and reagents or technologies that are important for vaccine diagnostics and therapeutic development.
In the past 3 years, since 2019, to support our strategic research plans, the DHFR has been operated as part of the Siriraj Center for Research Excellence on Dengue and Emerging Pathogens, or SiCORE-DENGUE, and geared towards 3 major strategic research areas, including identifying effective dengue therapeutics using drug repurposing strategies in vitro and in clinical trials, understanding molecular mechanisms responsible for protective and pathogenic functions of NS1, a non-structural protein of dengue virus that is present in patient circulation and associates with dengue disease severity, establishing the Controlled Human Dengue Infection Study in Thailand or DHFR program to support future vaccine and drug trials. To reach our ambitious goals, we work as a global research networking team. We have collaborated with world-renowned experts from many research institutions and organizations for different aspects of our research. For example, for the basic understanding of human immune system's defense against dengue virus, we have been collaborating with Dr. Gavin Screeton, the former Dean of Faculty of Medicine at Imperial College London and currently the head of Medical Sciences Division at University of Oxford, Dr. Anna Durbin and Steve Whitehead from the NIH for the Controlled Human Dengue Infection Model, Dr. Ralph Bartenschlager from University of Heidelberg in Germany, for the study of antiviral mechanisms of dengue therapeutics. And recently, we have signed an MOU with the DNDi, the International Nonprofit Medical Research Organization, to carry out preclinical studies and clinical trials to find a safe, affordable, and effective treatment for dengue.
The successful establishment of our clinical cohorts and research collaborative network has led us to produce many landmark publications which have been widely accepted within the scientific community and in Thailand and also internationally. Our unit and its research network operate under the strong belief that high-quality basic biomedical research is an essential element that brings about successful changes to the way diseases are being treated, prevented, or diagnosed. Taking advantages in the academic and clinical surroundings, our research span the full spectrum of health science, from basic biomedical research to knowledge translation in clinical trials. The ultimate goal of our research group is to reduce dengue virus burden in Thailand, with the implication to other parts of the world where dengue is still highly endemic and death is still a major health problem and economic concern.